Connie time! We haven't been out and about in a while, so.
And the sun's shining this time, but
It's breezy.
yeah.
So hey, what are we doing today?
We are going to a vintage market.
Yeah, this is something I went to, gosh, it's been maybe before, you know what. And I haven't been back since, so I'm really excited. And I'm sorry that we're wearing our glasses, but it's early, the sun is bright in our face, the wind is blowing our hair, and we're a mess.
That's okay.
But we're gonna have fun.
We are going to have fun. The
We
Golden
are-
Years Vintage Market.
Yeah, and we are back at the Anaheim Packing District. Before we ate, we did a video together from the packing house, and we're actually looking at the packing house right here.
Yes.
And so behind us is their, it's called the Farmers Park, and it's part of the packing district.
Yes. There's food and entertainment sometimes.
Yes, sometimes entertainment or farmers market sometimes. So anyway, if you're anywhere near Anaheim, check out this whole Anaheim Packing District, and of course you would not ever miss the packing house. So, all right, let's go check it out.
Okay, let's go.
I think so. I know they do. This is cute.
Not so much. You know what I do want to get is a phone booth, like the outside.
Oh, what's that you found, Connie?
How do I look? Is it me?
It's not you. Mid-century modern items. Try on areas. That is like now look at this. We didn't see this last
No, we
time.
didn't. Poppy Seed Restaurant and Bar. We might have to come. They're closed right now, but oh no, they're open.
Oh,
Cute. This place isn't open yet. It's probably a nighttime. They'll all be set up by now.
yeah.
Sure. They're so cute.
Hey, roosters, we're back.
I want a rooster for my garden.
Do you want one that size?
No. I want just a little guy. I'm gonna find a white rooster. He's just cute. Got my coffee. So I picked, normally I'm a chocolate macaroon kind of girl, but since we're at the packing house and it's strawberry season, I got California strawberry
I love
macaroon. And it smells very strawberry. So I have to take a bite with my coffee. I have to fix it.
Back to the car.
It's so fun around here.
There's a girl here that taller than me. Should duck to go into the canopy.
I must have caught you guys off guard.
Just 6'7".